Good morning, children. Now let us start with exercise 8B. Look at question number 1. It says 8 men can do a piece of work in 28 days. 8 men can do work in 28 days. So, question is, one man does the same work in how many days? Now one man has to work of 8 men together. That's why we are going to multiply 8 with 28. एक आदमी को 8 आदमियों का काम इकट्ठा करना पड़ेगा, इसलिए आपको इसको और इसको टोटल मैन और टोटल डेज को मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. So when you multiply 8 multiply by 28, you will get 224 days. Means one man can do the same work in 224 days. Now they are asking, therefore 14 men can do the same work in how many days? Now 14 men, अब लोग ज़्यादा हो गए हैं तो आपका क्या हो जाएगा, डेज कम हो जाएंगे, which means you need to divide. So 224 divided by 14. 14 ones are 14 and 6 are 24. So your answer is going to be 16 days. Now next one, second part of the same question. They are saying a man does a piece of work in 3 days. Now in one day they are saying, one day a man can do a piece of work in 3 days. So in one day he is going to work 1/3 part of the work, 1/3 of the work. We have discussed it in our previous video. If they ask you for one day, it means 1 by whatever number of days they have given you, 1 by whatever number they have given you of the work. So 3 days they have given you, so 1/3 days of the work. Next they are saying another man does the same work in 4 days. Same work in 4 days. So in one day he is going to complete 1/4 of work. Same you need to follow. Now next they are asking in one day if both work together. If in one day they are both working together, then what you are going to do, you are going to add the work. 1/3 plus 1/4. Take out the LCM. 4 3s are 12. 3 4 times. 4 plus 4 3 times 12, 3. It will give you 7/12. Now last one they are saying both work together, do the whole work. This is work, total work done. Now you are going to find out the number of days. For number of days we had the formula 1 upon whatever work they have done. So formula 1/7/12. You can also write it down as 1 divide 7/12. Divide will change to multiply. It will change to 1 multiply 12 by 7. Answer will be 12/7. Now your numerator is greater than denominator. You have to change it into mixed fraction. It will give you 7 whole number. 1/5 days. Got it? Now question number 2 and 3 are related to question number 1 only. Let's try to do question number 4, which is a bit different question. It says 2 car mechanics, Ram and Shyam, work together, can overhaul a car in 3 days. Ram working alone can do the job in 5 days. If Shyam works alone, how long does he take to do the same job? Now what is given to you? Ram and Shyam together in one day they can complete 1/3 of work, because what they have given you 3 in the question, what they have given you, they have given you 3 days. So for one day, your work is going to be 1 upon 3. Now next, in one day, Shyam alone can do the work. Because they are asking about if Shyam is doing the work alone. Which is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5. Why 1 by 5? Because they have given you work for Ram. If Ram is doing work alone, so time they have given you 5 days. So Ram's time was 1 by 5 for one day. So to find out Shyam's time, you are going to subtract Shyam time from Ram's time. So 1 by work, Shyam's work from Ram's work. So 1 by 3 Shyam's work minus 1 by 5 Ram's work. When you subtract this, take out the LCM, you will get 15. 3 5s are 15 minus 5 3s are 15. You will get 2 upon 15 of the work Shyam can do. Now you have to find out how many days. In how many days Shyam can do the work. Shyam can do. Now to find out work, we have the formula, that is 1 divided by whatever work he can complete in one day. So same formula, 1 divide 2 by 15. Divide will change to multiply. 1 multiply 15 by 2. Okay. Change this into mixed fraction. 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15. Your answer is going to be 7 whole number 1 upon 2 days.